So I have found the cheapest 5-star hotel in India, and it's called the Crown here in Goa. You can see the sign here. This is the hotel over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and check in. I'm gonna show you what it's like. It costs about $40. The price keeps fluctuating depending on the season and everything. Because it's an off season, I got a deal for 40 bucks. All right, so we're going into the second floor. Man, it's hot outside. So we'll go and see what a $40 5-star hotel looks like. I've never stayed in a 5-star hotel before. This is my first time. Whoa, check this out, guys. Right as we enter, there's a pool. I don't know if the pool is closed because there's no one here. But out there you could see the river. That's where all the casinos are at. Maybe you could go check that out later. It says pool closed, so sadly we're not going to be able to enjoy this pool. At least not for now. But let's go ahead and check in.
Can I have your photo ID, please? You have a booking, right?
Yes, I do.
So my colleague will escort you to the
Okay,
room.
thank you.
We have given you a room with a balcony plus the partial view of the lake.
Okay,
Have a pleasant
perfect.
stay, sir.
Thank you. All right, guys, so this is my $40 5-star hotel room. Let me give you a quick tour of this room. Right as we enter, this is the door. You got a fire exit plan. Look at the shape of this building. It's pretty cool. This is my room right here, 202. And it's like kind of like a pentagon, alien spacecraft shape. And right here we have a painting of a church. I think it might be some church in Goa. I'm not entirely sure. And over here we have your tea and coffee section. You get all kinds of things to make your tea, coffee, and whatever else you want to make. I think it's tea and coffee. That's what you can make. I think this right here is your closet with your safe that hopefully works. It didn't work in the previous hotel that I was at. And right here we have some paper bags for your stuff. That's a nice looking closet. Okay, what do we have here? Oh, we have a mini bar. Ooh, it's locked. How do you open this? Oh, it's empty. I think they're gonna blame it on COVID. Right here, we have a big mirror that you can admire yourself as you walk in. Then you have a little couch here, and we have our complimentary food. I think it's a chocolate and some fruits. And this is a card from the general manager right here. There's your bed. It is a queen size bed. It's not a king size bed, unfortunately, but that's okay. Looks pretty good, looks clean. Let me show you guys the view here. So we have the view here of the river with all the casino boats. You can see all the way over there to all the way over here behind this building. We have a casino. That's pretty cool. And it says, to avoid insects and pests entering your room, request you to keep the window closed. So I guess you can open this window if you want. There you go. Let some fresh warm air in. It is hot outside, so I'm gonna close this. I don't wanna, but it's cool that you can open it. I'm gonna leave this open for now. Let's see here. We have a little menu for it's a channel guide. Wow, that's cool. I've never seen a channel guide in a hotel before. So you don't have to guess and search for channels. You can just put in the number for whatever you wanna watch. Got a nice little pen and paper in case you wanna write down your thoughts. You have a phone. Got a reading light. Doesn't seem to be working. There it is. And here we have some complimentary bottles of water, your reading light, your lamp, bedside lamp as your bed. And here's a little workstation with another mirror. And there's another desk lamp. What do we have here? That is cool, guys. Services directory. So the guy who showed me the hotel room was like, if you need anything at all, you just let me know. You call me. That is not something you would get at any other hotel but a 5-star hotel. We also have a balcony right here that you can sit down and chill at. Okay. There we go. Nice little balcony. You can sit here and you can chill out, look down onto the road and the river and all the casino boats. We have a TV, a weird facing TV. It should be facing the bed. I'm sure you'll be able to swivel it if you want. Yep, just like I thought. This is a 5-star hotel. Of course you're gonna be able to swivel your TV. Look at that. Now you can watch TV from bed. So let's give you a tour of the bathroom right here. That is a toilet right there. We have a little towel, some paper towels, a nice little sink, your mirror, your vanity mirror. We have a soap, shampoo, shower gel, shower caps, sanitary bag. It's not for me. Toilet paper. They said, the guy said that he would also have any shaving kit or anything else that I might need. I just need to ask for it. I don't think I'm gonna need anything else. And then you have a little hair dryer right here. And that's the shower right there. This is your walk-in shower. Ooh, that is shiny. Almost looks like a mirror. And you have some more shampoo and shower gel and soap. So you're not gonna run out of shampoo and soap. And you have some extra towels and a floor towel on the floor. This is a nice little glass wall. So that is it, guys. This is the $40 5-star hotel in India, in Goa. It's called the Crown. I love that name. That's the hotel you want to stay at. Where are you staying at? I'm staying at the Crown, bro. So that's the hotel. That's my beautiful 5-star hotel. I do have breakfast tomorrow. He said from 7:30 to 10:30 at the restaurant down below. So we're gonna go there and have our 5-star breakfast. I'm sure it'll be incredible. I can't wait. Whew, man, it was a hot day outside, but it's pretty nice to finally be at the hotel. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and check out the gym. So let's go. Oh, there's the gym. All right, no one's working out here. Can we turn the lights on? Okay, that's a decent gym. It ends right here. So you can do your cardio while you look out at the little garden. A couple treadmills, some weights. I got some decent amount, some decent weights. Let's see how much I weigh. 75. That's 75 kilos. There's the bathroom there. That's a decent gym. So they also have a spa, but that is closed right now. The guy told me that they're not open yet. So it's pretty good. It's decent.
Spa actually here only, but it is closed.
It's closed, yeah. Yeah. Okay. That's okay.
But still you want to have a look?
Can I see?
Fine.
Oh, thank you. Okay, so we're getting a look at the spa. Exclusive sneak peek, even though it's closed. We're getting the keys arranged. Hello. So I guess that's the perks of being in a 5-star hotel. Okay. We got the keys. Keys to the mansion of the spa. Let's go check it out. Exclusive look, guys.
This little bit shabby.
Oh, that's okay. So, oh, these are massage rooms. That's where you can get a massage. Nice little bed and a bathroom, and then all your products, massage oils and products for the ladies. And this is another massage room. I guess those are the prices right here. your massage chairs. You can get your mani-pedi here, get your hair done. Nice little couch. It's pretty good. It's really nice.
Next time
Thank
you
you.
can come with your family.
Yes. Oh, okay. Thank you for showing me. Okay. So that was the spa. We got a sneak peek. You wouldn't have been able to see the spa if it was just you, but we got special privileges, special vlogger privileges for Brook Forever. And here's the restaurant right here. This is where I'll be tomorrow morning for our breakfast. It's a 4-feet pool, no diving. So, man, I hate COVID. I wish I could be just sitting out here chilling, looking at the bridge over there. He told me that the bridge is lit up at night, so it's gonna look incredible. But we have something over there. Let's go check that out. I guess it's a bar, maybe? So when the pool's open, you have a bar there. Okay, let's go and see what we have here. It's closed. I guess some sort of a dining area. Yeah, I think this is like an outdoor dining area. So whenever it's open, you can just sit here and enjoy your dinner, lunch, whatever it is that you're having. And enjoy the view of the river and the bridge, the beautiful bridge. I have no idea what the name is. But yeah, it's a pretty good hotel, I would say. For considering the price, it's only $40. The $40 5-star hotel. I mean, it's a pretty great deal. If you're here in Goa, I would definitely consider living here, staying here. And the staff is incredible. They're like so accommodating. They're super nice. I mean, they even opened the spa for me. I didn't even ask him. I was asking if it was open. He's like, it's not, but if you want to see it, we can open it for you. And they did. Tomorrow morning, I'll take you guys into the restaurant. So they also have a casino here. I forgot about that, but it's not yet operational. He said it will be operational by tomorrow, or not tomorrow. He said it will be operational by next month. But instead of having to go out to the river, when you come to the Crown, you can go into the casino here. People are still working in there. So I guess still in process, still under construction. But the hotel will also have a casino, hopefully by next month. So by the time the season time kicks in and the people start flocking in, the casinos will be open. Good morning. It's now time for breakfast. So let's go see what the breakfast is like. I tried to see if they could serve the breakfast in my room, but they were like, oh, it's like a buffet, so we can't do that. I guess this is the breakfast area right here. Let's get out the cornflakes. All right, so this is my breakfast right here. I got a masala omelet and some bacon, chicken sausages, and good old cornflakes that I've been eating. So it looks pretty good. This right here is the masala omelet, and I got some bacon and some chicken sausages. Let's try the masala omelet, give that a shot, see what that's like. They do have a little bit of chili in there and some tomatoes. No, these are the chicken sausages. Let's try this bacon.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Magic.